Working in geophysical exploration with Geosoft software and dealing with GXP parameter files. These store execution parameters for geological data processing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Geosoft execution parameter files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for GXP files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. A GXP file stores execution parameters for tasks within Geosoft Oasis Montaj, a software platform for earth science data processing and analysis. Geoscientists and researchers use these files to save and reuse specific settings for data grids, maps, and processing routines, ensuring consistency and automating repetitive workflows. This file is typically a text-based or XML-like format, designed for human readability and easy modification. It stores key value pairs or structured data representing user-defined parameters for a specific Geosoft function, GX. This simple structure allows for easy sharing and version control of analysis workflows. The software default for the GXP file type is the solution provided by Sequent, a Bentley Systems company's Geosoft Oasis montaj. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows offers only surface-level viewing, so proper interpretation requires external tools or manuals. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the GXP file and choose Open With. Start with Geosoft Oasis Montaj if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If your GXP file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this GXP file is failing to load. First, loading in Oasis Montaj. Launch Geosoft Oasis Montaj and access the GX execution dialog through the appropriate processing menu. Load the GXP parameter file using the dialog's Load Parameters function. The interface populates with stored parameter values ready for execution against your project data, with consistent processing settings across multiple analysis runs. Next, editing parameters. Open the GXP file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code if it uses text format. Inspect parameter values and modify settings as needed for different processing scenarios. Save changes and reload in Oasis Montaj to apply updated parameters. Maintain backups of original GXP files for rollback capability if parameter changes cause processing issues. Finally, sharing across team. Store GXP parameter files in shared network locations or version control systems accessible to all team members working on geological exploration projects. Document parameter selections and intended use cases. Standardized parameter files ensure consistency across geophysical analysis work, supporting reproducible results and quality assurance in exploration data processing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.